Stop digging. Seriously, if you're out there with a spade trying to turn heavy sod by hand, you're working harder than you need to. The most effective way to clear a lawn for a garden is to smother it. Grab some plain brown cardboard. If there's any tape on it, remove it and put it right onto the grass. Soak it down. Pile 6 inches of mulch or compost on top of it and just walk away. This is called sheet mulching. The grass dies underneath. The worms move in to eat the cardboard, and you've just built new soil. This neat, simple method preserves the biology of your soil instead of turning it upside down. By the time you're ready to plant, the grass is gone and your dirt is better than when you started. Do this during the spring, you can plant directly into that compost. Do it during the fall, and the cardboard will break down over the winter. But now that the grass is gone, you've got a choice. Do you build up or stay low? And tomorrow we're settling the debate. Should you use raised beds or plant in the ground?